Right, welcome to the channel. I'm just going to synchronise these carbs on the bench. If you don't know how to do that, you need a hoover. Which you've got here. All you need to do is put it on the end, turn the hoover on, stick your meter at the other end. I'll try and do this one-handed and go through them, and obviously you adjust it by here, so then they're pretty much ready to fit on the car, and just a little bit more of adjustment that you need to do. So there'll be a bit of noise obviously from the hoover. There's the button. There we go. This won't stay on there with any luck. Hang on. Right, I've got the hoover going. Just going to stick this on the back. And as you can see, that one is 11. If you can hear me over the hoover. So I'm just going to test all of them. I know this one's got the pipe in the back. And as you can see, that one's on 11. That one's on 11. And the last one, we've got the thing over the hole. That one's on 11. So they're all on 11 with my finger over that hole. But obviously, this one will need adjusting from here when it's on the car and running, because it's obviously got the servo pipe here, so it'll be sucking more air out of this blast chamber. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Just adjust the screw there. Obviously that's your idle screw there. Okay, hope this has helped some of you out. Thanks for watching.